people ask me to teach about the word for cooking. So today we will learn some word or some example about how to use the cooking word. So the first word we learn today is about cutting or cut. In Japanese, when you want to cut something, you say kiru. Kiru. Kiru is mean cut. For example, when you cooking, you should sometimes you need to cut the vegetable or you need to cut the potato. So in the case like this, we say in Japanese we use kiru. Or we change to be the mass form, we can say like kirimasu, right? And in here we have the example like potato o kirimasu. Potato o kirimasu mean I cut the potato. I cut the potato. Or you can create a sentence like Tanaka-san wa potato o kittemasu. Tanaka-san wa potato o kittemasu, which means Mr. Tanaka is cutting the potato. Or you can say another sentence like Suzuki-san wa yasai o kittemasu. Suzuki-san wa yasai o kittemasu, which means Miss Suzuki is cutting the vegetable. Or you can say like Oka-san wa yasai o kirimashita. Oka-san wa yasai o kirimashita. Oka-san is mean mother, so it means my mother cut the vegetable. My mother cut the vegetable. So this is about we use the knife to cut something. We can use the kiru or kirimasu. Muku. Muku. Muku is mean peel. As you see in the picture, when you want to peel something, you can use the word muku. For example, you want to peel the apple, right? Or you want to peel the orange. When you want to eat the orange or the apple or something like a banana, you can use the word muku, because before you eat, you should cut out, right, the leather or the skin, right? So we use the word muku in Japanese. And in here we have the example like Mikan no kawa o mukimasu. Mikan no kawa o mukimasu, which means peel an orange. Mikan is mean orange, and kawa is mean the skin, or is mean the leather. So in here, mikan no kawa is mean the skin of the orange, or the leather of the orange, right? So before you eat the orange, you should peel the skin of the orange, or you should peel the leather of the orange before you eat. So in the case like this, we use muku or mukimasu. And in here we have mikan no kawa o mukimasu. Or you can say, for example, you want to create a sentence like apple no kawa o mukimasu. Apple no kawa o mukimasu, which means peel the apple, right? peel the apple. Suzuki-san wa mikan no kawa o muttemasu. Suzuki-san wa mikan no kawa o muttemasu, which means Suzuki-san is peeling an orange. Suzuki-san is peeling an orange. Koneru. Koneru. Koneru is mean knee. So when you want to create or you want to make the candy, or you want to make some sweets, in that time you can use the word koneru to help explain, or to help explain the process of how to make a candy or a sweet. So you can use koneru is mean kneak. And in here we have the example like nando mo konemasu. Nando mo konemasu. Nando mo konemasu is mean need something repeatedly. Nando is mean repeatedly. Nando mo is mean do many things, do something repeatedly, right? So konemasu is mean need. So it mean need something repeatedly. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, and do repeatedly. So we say like nando mo konemasu, which mean need something repeatedly. And when we make the need, or we use the koneru, it mean we actually, when we create or when we make the sweet or the candy, so in Japanese style they will use the koneru to explain for how to make the candy or the process. Mazeru. Mazeru. Mazeru is mean mix. For example, you want to mix something, you can use the word mazeru. For example, when you want to make the chemistry, and when you want to try to create the new thing by using the chemistry, or you want to create something, the new thing by use another thing to put together, you can say mazeru, or mix something to create another things. And in here we have the example like kono gyunyu ni wa mizu ga mazete arimasu. Kono gyunyu ni wa mizu ga mazete arimasu, which means this milk is mixed with water. Gyunyu, the word gyunyu is mean milk, and mizu is mean the water, and mazeru is mean mix. This mean in here they want to explain that what is the look like of the milk. And in here they say that in the milk it has some water too, and it has some water that mixed with the milk. So they can say like mizu ga mazete arimasu. Mazete arimasu is mean somebody else did it, but you don't know, or you haven't know the name of the person, so you can use mazete arimasu. So in here they say kono gyunyu ni wa mizu ga mazete arimasu, which means this milk is mixed with water. And in here niwa you can translate to be like in, right? In the milk, right? So this means they have something mixed with the there has some water mixed with in the milk. Or another example, you can create a sentence like when you want to make some juice, you can use many fruit. For example, you can use some apple, you can use some orange, right? So to mix together and you create the new juice. So you can say mazeru. You can say アップルとバナナを混ぜています。which means is mixed with banana and apple. 絞る絞る絞る is mean squeeze. The word 絞る is mean you narrow something down. For example, you have a lemon and you want to mix the water or the lemon to get out, so you can use the word shiboru. This means you narrow down the lemons. And in here we have the example like Tanaka-san wa lemon o shibotte imasu. Tanaka-san wa lemon o shibotte imasu. Which means Tanaka-san is squeezing the lemon. Tanaka-san is squeezing the lemon. In here, lemon is mean lemon, but in Japanese they just say lemon. Lemon is mean lemon in English. And shiboru is mean squeeze. So in here they change the mass form, teimasu form, so they can say like shibotte imasu. This means Mr. Tanaka is squeezing the lemon in that time, so they can say Tanaka-san wa lemon o shibotte imasu. Taku is mean cook rice, and in this case they will use the word taku or takimasu to when you cook the rice. So you should remember when you use with cooking with the rice, we will use only the word taku or takimasu. And in here we have the example like Gohan o takimashita ka? Gohan o takimashita ka? Which means did you cook the rice? Gohan is mean the rice, and takimashita ka is from the taku. But in here is the past tense, so we say takimashita ka. But in the question form, so you can say taka, takimashita ka. So if you already cooked, so you can say hai, gohan o takimashita. Or you can say that kesa gohan o takimashita ka? Kesa gohan o takimashita ka? This means did you cook the rice in this morning? Or you can say これはご飯を炊く器具です。これはご飯を炊く器具です。which means it is the device for cooking, right? It is the device for cooking. This means you use that device to cook, so you can say like これはご飯を炊く器具です。